What's going on, guys? We're now on the off-road beat. Perfect day out today. Very cold out though, so I'm gonna make a few stops here. I'm gonna run the Lowe's, and then I gotta sell a couple stuff so we can make some money for mods and stuff. It shouldn't take too long, and then we're gonna head back because I have a surprise for you with the Cummins. Now you can probably judge by the title what it is, and I'm actually very happy. Very good start. Very good start. I mean, it's still the beginning of the year and everything, so I'd say, but you know, once it starts warming up, then we'll finally be able to have some really cool adventures and stuff as well. I actually was able to use the factory kit. Well, not the factory kit, but the parts from the kit that I ordered, or the first kit that I ordered. I didn't have to buy anything else, so it's gonna be great. I'm gonna show you guys what I did and how I was able to accomplish that with that truck. The truck is still in the garage, so it's gonna be nice and warm, easy to film. I'm gonna pull up the lights and everything. It's gonna be great.
I walked on the boulevard of broken dreams. Something dead inside me.
Diabolical Ford Ficus. Here's where I was originally looking for a part to work. Alright guys, mission accomplished. Just saw somebody on a bike. Meanwhile, my friends think it's too cold to even walk outside. So now I'm gonna make one more stop. Look at that Silverado, man. Plow trucking it away. So I don't know if you'll be able to see it through here, but I just opened up this door and there's just bags and bags and bags of shoes back there. So I'm gonna try to profitize here at the store over there. And then we should be good to head home. Alright guys, we're back on the road. Check out this place. They're all about cars and everything. Even the door handles are gas pump handles. So yeah guys, feels good to be back on the road and finally heading back to work on that Ram. As you can see, the sun is going down. I was up until, I think, 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning yesterday because I was working on the truck and then editing videos and stuff, so it takes a long time. Just made it home, my brothers and sisters, and look at that. Oh, this is fire. Alright guys, so I'm here in the garage.
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini.
Now check it on out. Got the truck here. And yeah, I was finally able to get the EGR coolant pipe on, and I was able to get this on here too. I had to move the O-ring all the way back to here, and that's what allowed me to be able to actually get that on there. And I'm glad that I got it on there. Check out this set. It honestly looks pretty good. It's a pretty good setup, I'd say. And these clamps are clamped down really hard here and here. So it's a very, very sturdy connection, and I also had to move the ring down there. Now, if you note, I did not put the one bolt in here because it did not align. I did not want to push this out too far. It's really tight there. The best thing you want to do, what you want to do is get this bolt as tight as you can, so this is pushing it back as tight as you possibly can get it, because you don't want it to leak. And I also wasn't able to get that bolt in there either because I want this to be snug as possible. So I just let that all go. And the dipstick, I mean, it's pretty in there. It doesn't need that extra support anyway. So I let all that go. So basically, I didn't make this a how-to tutorial on this part at least, but it's pretty simple as to what I did. I just took the bracket, I just put the hose in, I put this piece here, I tied it down with the clamps, and then I also just bolted this with the bracket. So there's really only, I don't know, there's barely anything really to see here. I also put the crankcase hose back in. So that's basically it, and the job is done. So that's all you need to do. Got a plate right there, got a plate back there, and then we got that plate right there. So everything's good to go. I have not started her up yet, so yeah, I'm going to do that. But after, I am going to start her up, but I'm going to be doing one more mod, and there's also something in the well there that I want to do. So once I get those mods done, then we'll start her up, do that off-road test. We'll start her up, go on that on-road test and everything, but I think this should be good. It looks pretty good if you ask me. And check that out one more time. I honestly think that looks so good. The blue in the engine, and we got the AFE air filter here. Can't forget about that. Everything's looking good, and it's really coming along great, and there's a lot more mods that I want to do to this truck. So I'm going to do those 2 extra things, probably in another video, because as you can see, it's getting dark and everything, and I don't want this video to drag on. But once we get those 2 things done, then we'll be good to go. But that's basically the last step you need to do for the full EGR delete. I got all the equipment still laying out here. I'm going to get that all organized right now, actually. And here's my cooler right there. I'm going to have to empty that out. I know there's some coolant or something still in it, so hopefully I can really just clean that up. Now I'm cocky, but I'm also humble. I got all the parts and everything boxed up here, and I also put bags with numbers on them so I know which step I took them off. So I'll just do the reverse order to get that stuff back onto the truck. See, I used Sharpies, tape, and bags and everything, and I put everything very nice and neat. So if I ever had to put that stuff back on my truck, which I hope I never have to, I'll have it all ready to go right there to be able to put it back. So I'll put that in storage somewhere, so that's all good. Got everything basically cleaned up here. And if you see the engine, I mean, she's ready to be fired up right now, but there's one more thing I want to do, and I want to do something in the fender, so I'm probably going to do that next video. As you can see, the sun is completely down now, so it's getting pretty late. And like I said, I was up all night yesterday, so I didn't really have much time today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so I can see you next video. Until next time, take it easy. Oh, and I also taped off that other connector, as you can see right there. I tucked it out of the way a little bit. Wanted to get some more room there, and that one's taped off too. They're all taped off, so just wanted to let you guys know that.